Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the driver matches your SQL server. Choose Psycop2 for PostgreSQL or MySQL connector for MySQL. Once done, export credentials to environment variables so you do not bake secrets into code. Now open a Python REPL or script, import the driver, and call the connect function with host, port, user, password, and DB name. Make sure you handle exceptions immediately so you can see auth or network failures at this first step. Once connected, you create a cursor and use parameterized queries. Pass parameters separately instead of string concatenation to protect your app. Then execute and either commit for writes or fetch results for reads. Use fetchOwn, fetchmany, size, or fetchall, depending on result volume. Make sure to use a context manager or finally block to close cursors and connections so you do not leak sockets. If processing large datasets, stream rows in batches to avoid high memory usage. To finish, integrate a connection pool for concurrent workloads. Use built-in pools or SQL Alchemy's engine to manage size and lifetimes. Then add logging and retry logic for transient network errors, using exponential backoff so you do not overload the server. Finally, run integration tests against a staging database and validate transactions and isolation. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. Enable driver-level debug logging and reproduce the error with minimal credentials to isolate auth, network, or SQL syntax issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.